The King of Saxony, bird of paradise, is a bird in the bird of paradise family. It is the only member of the genus Pteridophora. It is endemic to the montane forests of New Guinea. Adolf Bernhard Meyer of the Dresden Museum described this species in the December 1894 Bulletin of the British Ornithologists Club. Both the common name King of Saxony and the scientific specific name alberti were given to honor to the then King of Saxony, Albert of Saxony, whose wife gave her name to the Queen Carola's parousia. The adult King of Saxony, bird of paradise, is approximately 22 centimeters long. The male is black and yellow with a dark brown iris, brownish gray leg, a black bill with a bright aqua green gape, and two remarkably long scalloped, enamel blue brow plumes that can be independently erected at the bird's will. The unadorned female is grayish-brown with bare underpart. The male's ornamental head plumes are so bizarre that when the first specimen was brought to Europe, it was thought to be fake. The King of Saxony, bird of paradise, inhabits the mountain forests of New Guinea and is distributed from the Wayland Mountains in western New Guinea to the Kratkerins and Mount Giloe in Papua New Guinea between 1,300 to 2,850 meters above mean sea level, but usually between 1,800 to 2,500 meters above sea level. Moulted head plumes in a good condition are sought by male archbold bowerbirds for use as a decoration and in turn collected from the courtship bowers by humans. Males are also hunted for their highly prized long plumes used by natives for ceremonial decorations. But despite this, the species remain fairly common in part of its range. It is considered to be least concern on the threatened species. Adult males are territorial. The male guards its territory from perches placed in the top of tall trees, and from these perches sing to compete with males in neighboring territories. While singing, the males move his occipital plumes about. In 1996, David Attenborough filmed the first ever footage of the mating ritual of the bird. The diet consists mainly of fruits, berries, and arthropods. The King of Saxony, bird of paradise mating courtship's behavior consists of combination of vocalizations and physical maneuvers, enhanced by its magnificent and unique plumage. The King of Saxony occipital feathers or head wires are one of a kind as they are no longer possess their regular feather structure, but instead are eye-catching ornaments that possess no functionality. These feathers can be twice as long as the body of the male King of Saxony and have evolved as the result of the female selection, in which females select males based upon indirect genetic benefits which increase offspring's fitness. This process occurs due to the male's lack of participation in the process of raising offspring, forcing female to assess male fitness through courtship rituals.